1, 2. 1, 2. Seems like he's working. 1, 2. 1, 2. Seems like he's working. Nice. Oh. Oh shit, what's up guys? Banga. Square music. Hello. What's up, Sleep Cheap? Next shot. What's up, bro? Isn't it bank holiday? Yeah, it is. But yeah. Don't really have much to do today, so why not? Usually I don't trade bank days, but yeah. I honestly thought you would stream today because of bank. I wouldn't stream, do you mean? Yeah, I don't usually do it. Yeah. What's up, movie? Good morning, Michael. Afternoon, Pavlovic. Can you please give your volume profile bias for today cash session? Yes, sure. Merka, it's bank holiday, so don't expect anything. We will chop. The thing is, I don't know when they will market is closing. That's the so maybe we get a move. We usually don't, at least. Like it up, chat. Yeah, you don't need to like. I don't care about likes. Well, hello, Delan. What's up, Skiller? Check the gamma position, bro. Okay. 1 second, guys. I wasn't streaming last week for the people. I see some new faces in here. Yeah. So we're back this week. Let me just fix some stuff. Damn, it feels like I haven't streamed for like 2 years. I swear, it's so... all my settings are messed up. It's been like, what? 4 days I skipped. Did you watch the podcast of Fabio and Carmine? Yeah, I did. It was really good. But Carmine, he didn't really trade that much. I think I watched like 70% of it. I didn't see him execute a single trade. He was just waiting. Whilst we had Fabio on the left side going, he went machine gun mode, and bro executed quite a bit. Okay, let me just see some stuff. Guys, by the way, I'm gonna wait till enough people join. I got some great news. I have been working quite a lot on the projects that I said I will do. Before that, what the hell happened last week? By the way, how did it go trading last week? How was it? I'm looking at it right now, so I see that we shifted up, started to go higher again. Okay, interesting. This one you can merge. Where are we right now? 29,900. Oh shit, we're at the top again. All-time high, huh? Almost at all-time high. Okay. Bro, no, I just I did not shave, just trim it down. It's like a refresher. I usually do it. It's gonna grow back in like 4 days, don't worry. What are your thoughts on scalping versus only day candle trading? Scalping, damn. Day candle trading sounds like swinging, basically. Yeah, I think you earn more money swing trading than scalping, really. And it's easier for your mind. Bro, it's a holiday. Yeah, I know. It's fine. I thought we'd do a little reunion after I took my little vacation of 4 days. Phenomenal. Nice. Do you use gamma exposure? No, but we did. I did it before. What's up, Ariane? Nah, bless you very much. 03 my bread every alternate day. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna. It's coming back, don't worry. Maybe it's also the lighting. I haven't really shaved that much. Okay. I don't think we will be as many people today because we have bank day, of course. Let me just take it up. Good luck, brate. What's up, Pavlichak, I hope pronounced that correct. Where did Darth Vader get his shoes? You know, Skiller, I just saw something on on YouTube about that. The Darth Maul, huh? Do you use 12mm trim to trim your beard? Oof. I don't know the settings. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't know. It's like, I don't know. Maybe, I think. I don't know, Banga. The Darth. Yeah, I know. I saw it. All right, bank holiday. Do you guys even does anybody know when it will close today? Maybe we'll have a, because previous bank day was not that bad actually. We got a move on that day. Okay, let's see this week. Consumer confidence. Yeah. Wednesday, nothing. We got GDP. Let's check this. Yeah, today, nothing. Memorial Day. Okay. Shall we read the cut report? One of the products I created is based on this actually. So it's gonna give you the bias without having to go in and manually read it. Not that this is so hard to do, but yeah, I guess it saves you like what? 30 seconds at least. Non-commercial, okay. Okay, open more long contracts, more than shorts, so we are more bullish on the short term. The crazy thing is, look how short we are. Like the exposure is overall so much, like a lot more short, but we are going higher at like really much at Nasdaq at least. How does ES look? Let me just see. SPX. Okay, what that load? Let's see. Commercial. Yeah, long. Bearish on Dow. Okay. Yeah, we are long at overall. Yeah, let me take this away. So we are at the all-time high again as well on ES, but we are overall more bearish. That's some fucked up correlation. For profile framing, obviously we are bullish. So bullish cut, bullish profile framing, bank holiday. So yeah, I guess we're gonna trade tomorrow, but we can also look at this day, see how it goes. Pop, there's a big gap to the downside on the 1 minute, just short. Okay. Time to full port, huh? Wait, did I miss something? Okay, no, I didn't. I don't think we will feel this today, but tomorrow, maybe. Who knows? Hi, Pavlovic. May I ask that the entry flip is... I have a lot of the flip you trade and some of them don't. If I want to buy myself, how would right? Wait, do you mean my entry model? The entry flip model, the Pav flip, whatever it's called. So absorption, retest, and then the candle flips. That's how I enter my trade, at least. Is that what you mean? Last week was shit. Okay. Last week was great. Could you summarize Fabio trend model? And I got a fading stream, but my win is really low in the trend model. You wait for IVB activation. And then it's a lot. I'm gonna be honest, guys. It's a lot. Like sometimes he plays it off the low volume node, value area low on the P shape. It's a lot. I'm gonna be honest. It will be hard for me to cover it all now. His gap fill is huge. Okay. The last week was so good, and I bought new. Okay. Haven't been here long. What's up? What's up, Max? What's up, Danuka? I've heard that the past week in the games from. I don't know. Maybe somebody can confirm what Winston said. Yes, entry flip. Sure. It might be easier for me just to show you the video and give you the explanation. I got my trades on YouTube, but sometimes I save them on the shorts. Yeah, let's do this one. We're in a good zone. I don't think I can be copyrighted by my own video, right? So when price comes down to this area, you see I look for absorption. This is my entry model. When price does something like this, we absorb. I wait for the next candle to come down, test it to see how it behaves. If it comes down and it buys up really fast, it means the buyers are stepping in. Then I take the flip. Once this candle goes from bearish to bullish, and my stop loss is right below this wick, this reaction candle, and I go 1 to 2 risk reward. Yada yada. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bam, 1 to 1 you go break even, 1 to 2 you kill the trade. That's the entry model for this one. Go watch the video. I'm always telling what I'm gonna do. I'm not just doing stuff. I always say I have a tendency to talk a lot. I like also the volume profit from the gains when okay. We are coming into today's auction. Okay, yeah. Hi Pablo, how is Algo going? Oi oi oi. Good question. It's done. Screw it. Let me just show you guys. You know what? I can do a back testing here in front of you. Like, not back testing. I'm gonna show you, execute it in front of you. I am testing the model as we speak. See if I can share it. Okay, I guess not. Strategy analyzer. Shall we see? Is it possible? Why is it doing like this? Why can't I share it? Ah. Okay, can you guys see? I have everything set up. Literally everything. Exit on session close. So, I also put... wait, where is commission? Always include commission. And slippage, I put it to 2 or 3. So, it's really shitty slippage. Usually in Nasdaq is 1 to 2. We can also put it to 3, it doesn't matter. But say put it for 2 for the sake of it. Let's see. I think I got everything right here now. Let me just fix it. Yeah, we do back testing just for 1 year, but Where is it? Ah. This is gonna be conducted in 1 year, not just this month. So, okay, let's wait while this loads. Let me see if you guys have anything. How would you change the color on volume profile? Right click on it and go to properties, something like that. I did it a while ago. Because acceptance, yeah, okay. I'll fade, nice. What's your average RR? I have a profit factor of 2 point. Actually, publish. I have created a TN journal, right? A product. I'm gonna try to do a thing where I can share all of my stats. So I will get back to you, everyone, with like stats and so on. Anybody? Okay, that's why there are not big trades today in your chart. It's bank holiday. We won't have a lot of trades, big fishes today usually. Price won't really move. Is Upcomers good firm? What the hell is Upcomers? Bro just leaked. Which app do you use for the back test? Deepcharts. Or do you mean for here? This is Ninja Trader, but I'm gonna get multi-charts. We're gonna do it as a community. How can I determine how speed of flip is just struggling? Wait, I'm gonna read it. Just let me see if this is done. Ah, come on, brother. Finish this shit. So I have multi-charts. Did I put incorrect? Yeah, I did. Yeah, so yeah, let the chart speak for itself, I guess. I'm still fixing some stuff, but this is only 1 year. Keep that in mind. Clearly, it's making money. Win rate 60%. But this is for the. This is one problem with this is Ninja Trader has some tick data. Okay, I will sit here for so long. The equity curve is good, at least. Okay, you end up making money at the end of the year. Yeah, hope that was good enough for that model at least. But yeah, I'm still working on it because right now I have. Let me see, it's activated in Ninja Trader. I'm trying just to fix the bridge so it executes on the broker. But yeah, the model doesn't even have to get proved because the Matteo Finog or whatever he's called, he's the one that did it, right? And it's already statistically profitable. So, but yeah. Isn't it bank? Oh my days, Kilam. Love your streams, bro. Nice, nice. I'll fade ES range, but the Velcro is fine. No. I guess fading today will be great. I think. Let's see. We opened up 15 minutes ago. This shit is. What is the entry rules of this Ninja Trader backtest? 5-minute candle with delta in the breakout. You need at least 200, above 200 in delta for it to be a valid entry. Do calculate the variance, please. Yeah, all of it. I took Matteo Finfog's. I don't even know if that's his name, Finfog or whatever, but. So let me share what's gonna happen. So the community, the plan, what I have for the community right now is to move more into algorithmic trading. We're still gonna do manual trading, discretionary trading like this, but we're gonna add algorithmic trading using profitable models. That's gonna trade on the side, okay? And it's hard. I know it's not that easy, but I think it can be really interesting if a lot of people join in on the project and try to figure out some models. You know, it can be a really interesting project. Can you lower big tree size? Sure. Today I think we can put it to 40 at least. If it doesn't appear anything at 40, then oh my days. What's up, Taha? What's up? Just do it. How do you make algo? Did you code it yourself or use some program? What app? I did it in Ninja Trader. You can use AI to help you code. Can we have the community with tick data sharing? It's so expensive by. Yeah, that's the thing. So we're gonna create a membership, TN membership in the community, and we're gonna buy the expensive tools together. Simple as that. So the more people will have this, the better. So say, for example, multi-chart. The thing is, I have to, we have to look up stuff like, I know there's some tools that have like enterprise or whatever. So you can buy for the community and you have, I don't know how many people can use it, but you guys know what I'm going towards basically. Either way, we're gonna tap more into AI trading. Not AI trade, algo trading. And we're gonna get all the data, market data. We're gonna get all of that. I'm not full porting 60% win rate, bro. Don't trust. Yeah, okay, maybe we shouldn't full port anything, but I okay. For fuck's sake. The thing is, this model skiller was conducted by a previous institutional trader, and it was stress test. So you got Monte Carlo, all of that stuff, and it was really tested, and it meets institutional level. So the model is already profitable. The only thing I did was to decode it into Ninja Trading, so it can be, yeah. So you don't have to use multi-charts. That's pretty much it. But the thing is, we're gonna go over to multi-charts eventually either. So, Skiller, do you actually fulfill your Mr. Skiller? Full party. Okay. I have it all connected right now, Ninja Trader. I just want to see it execute, follow whatever it's gonna follow, and then we can start deploying it for the community. Full port 5. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh shit. Discord, okay. I'm really curious to see what happens if we get a IVB breakout today. Damn, look how slow the market is. Ay. No, I'm not financial advice, of course, but fading the high isn't the most dumbest. Like, this is not a dumb idea. But of course, be conservative. We are at all-time high. Soon, again. Fading the high. Yeah, it can be an idea, but at least for this market. The thing is, just logically, we have a bank holiday, right? So we're more prone to consolidating. So trying to fade the high isn't dumb using that like narrative. But on the other hand, oppa, what happened here? On the other hand, playing the range is in itself less statistically to work out for you. So you get, it's a give and take. For this day, I would for sure go down to micro contracts. There's no point in trading minis in this shit. Yeah. More interest to take a short in this area. However, if it breaks out and goes bullish, let's see. It smells, Pav. Looks like, look at the opening auction candle. I use the 1 minute candle to know how. Okay, okay. No, I mean, what does that mean? Fading the fading, playing the range, trying to fade the high, meaning you anticipate you're gonna bet that it's gonna fail on breaking out and continue. So you're fading the high, meaning you wanna short it. Like that's basically what fading the high means. You are betting that the breakout will fail. So you fade the high. That's it. Nothing more. What's up, Rob? Is it safe to trade on holiday? Safe. It's never safe to trade. But on holiday, it's more prone to being consolidating. Today, market makers love, like, they make more money, right? On ranging markets. So I would say it's not safe to bet on breakouts on this day, at least. But yeah. You should do ES, has better ranging nature than Nasdaq. I'm already married, bro. I can't cheat on my Nasdaq. I want to get to know her when she is ranging and trending. So I know exactly how to deal with her, I guess. Best you can do, try long on value real low. Yeah, we are overall bullish, right? So profile framing is bullish, got report is bullish. This is statistically should work better than doing something like this. I feel like if I take a trade here, we're gonna sit in it for like 50 minutes and nothing's gonna happen. Delta high plus. Alright. What big trade filter number you use? 40. A fixed number or use it. It's auto low, medium, strong. I use 60 as my default big trade settings. I scale up if it's if there are a lot of trades above 60 contracts. I scale up because I just want to see the biggest fishes. Do you only draw VP on the whole range or RT? Since you no, the whole range, I know, even though I'm a scalper, I want like the bigger image. For this day, usually it's not really scalping. It's also almost like intraday swinging, right? So yeah, but I still use that logic because I don't want to be like, okay, say I want all of this information, right? And it's higher probability that we will reject on the higher like volume profile than on the smaller one because we are getting the bigger picture of it. Do you trade on bank holiday? Not usually, but since I didn't stream last week, today I just booted it up to just, yeah, maybe I will take some trade, but I will not bet a lot for sure. I'm curious to see what's gonna happen right now at the top. Did my thing just freeze or is... Okay, yeah, price is just that slow. It comes to discretion to know where to draw it exactly. I have a way to do it that simplifies it for anybody that has problem with drawing it. So what I do is usually I just take the swing, the most recent swing, and then I plot it to the high and then just extend it. So like it's of course a little bit discretionary in the volume profile plotting, but I feel like after a while we all view it the same way when we plot it, really. But you gotta keep some stuff in mind. Some guy doesn't even look at this big picture. He doesn't look like this. He's maybe this zoomed in. So maybe he's plotting it like this. I don't know. So like this. He's viewing the volume profile on a smaller time frame, or not smaller time frame, a more zoomed in view, basically. So yeah, it is a little discretionary. But after a while, I think majority of people will we will plot it all the same way. $1,000 plus gonna sit in the range between, probably just get. Okay, London has better liquidity. The market's so slow. I just don't want to trade. No, today you shouldn't trade. I'm gonna be honest, you shouldn't trade today. Go on demo account today. Try to practice patience today. By the way, I'm gonna do a challenge with the community. Or not with the community. I'm gonna do so when I release the TN journal, all of that, I'm gonna buy I need to buy a prop firm account. I want to take it from eval to funded to a payout. And I want to share like all of the stats every day that we trade. And we're gonna do it. I think the way I want to do it is using a prop firm that allows for it. I know that Top Step allows for it, that you can share it like a link. But other prop firms doesn't, like Lucid, all of that, they don't. Which is quite shit, to be honest. So if we can find a good prop firm, then that would be great. So if you have any suggestions, I would love to take it. What the hell? Today less volume. Yeah, for sure. Fabio say he does 5 min for profile and 1 min for entry, like he gave me. If you want to enter these eggs, exactly. Yeah. I guess doing 5 min for PVD and profile wouldn't really work. What do you think? Yeah. I would say if somebody hasn't traded like auction market theory and used order flow, volume profile, and all of that, I would really this is not financial advice, but if you just purely trade on the daily volume profiles and you try to say we're bullish, you look at the daily volume profile and we like, okay, bias is bullish, and you just try to take longs from value area low. If it comes down, I can almost bet that you will get a payout, but it will take super long time. No, okay, it won't take so long time if you. It depends. Actually, it depends. You know, I'm gonna create an AI model, an algo model that does this, and we're gonna do backtesting on that. I know what some people that does this type of trading, and they do get payouts. They do, but they tell me like, "Yo, I took 3 trades this month, like 4 or 5, something like that," and I'm like, okay. It's basically my anti-bias model that gives me payouts. It's super boring, but it works. You know, maybe I can do algo model that trades that as well. That will actually. What the hell? I didn't even think about it. Wait, what? Oh shit. That would be very helpful. So every trade you take, will publicly share each trade journal and reason. Yeah. I'm already live trading and sharing everything publicly, but I would also want to share the stats for like a trade, like a model, for example. And just purely show people, because I've seen some, or I have come to realize that a lot of people, they don't believe in it. Like they don't believe in that you can get a payout if you just follow it. And I feel like if somebody proves it for them, I think many people have done it already, right? I don't know if I haven't seen myself some people do it, that like take you from A to from 0 to 10 or whatever it's called, from A to Z, so get funded and get a payout. I haven't seen somebody done it. Surely there are some people that has. Yeah, I'm not on YouTube that much, but yeah, I think that will give people so much confidence, and then if they apply this model, they're gonna be like, if Pav made it, sure, I can as well, basically. So I see it like a confidence building project, not as in me getting a payout. That's not really important. It's more like building confidence for people to. I think that can help. Correct me if I'm wrong. Hello, bro. You're not using deep. No. Why did? Okay, skill. Yeah, fuck. Do you trade the London session? No, I don't. Something I don't like is when you have people on YouTube that they just show you the payouts, but not like the whole journey. It's like, what the hell is your payouts gonna help? How is it gonna help somebody? Oh yeah, I made 50k, brother. Like, okay, how is it gonna help you? And there is some guy, I don't recall what his name is. He gets payouts, but he like full ports every trade, every account. And then when he makes like, I don't know how much, then he posts only that. And it's like, yeah, I don't know. And he trades Deepcharts as well and order flow. I feel so bad for some people that then go and like, he has some mentorship and all of that shit, and they go and get his mentorship, and he's like, he's using your money that he gets from the mentorships to buy accounts, to full port them, to then get funded, and then full port those accounts and burn like 50 accounts, and then manage to get at least some of them with a payout. And it's like, man, it's like a Ponzi scheme or whatever it's called, and people are falling for it. It's crazy. Where can I contact this guy who I don't know what the hell his name. I knew it fucking. One of price action trader who has a million thought trading. One of price action trader who's a millionaire thought through trading, does live and everything, has Asia But as of now, he's down from 150 from the kind of immense losing streak. Everything last, same risk. That's fine. I love, you know what? I respect a guy that loses, but he's really trading. Not doing some shit, okay? But I respect a guy that's actually trying to trade, and he might fail, but that's fine. Oof, this short was really good. What the hell? Look at this short. Anybody take this? Surely, yeah, my community, they like to take this. I know it. What a trade. Didn't even look at it. Now I was too focused on my fucking speech. Wow. Bello. Amazing trade. Have you ever talked about using deep dome to get deeper look at the market? Not right now. No. Why didn't you short? I was yapping shit. Trap buyers, yeah. He has like 10k live watching and gets booed on chat every day. What? Bro. Oh my days. I thought about it, but didn't take. It's fine, you saw it at least. Didn't take yes on demo. I took it in. Nice. Even if you took it on demo, well done. You guys, you don't need to write to me if you took it on demo, okay? I'm not. It's for me. Even if you took it on demo, real account or funded, doesn't matter. If you took a trade like that and you saw it, that's a win. I'm done for today, and with an early trade, don't want to trade this. Nice, good call. Well done. Using session profile or they RTA session profiles on the left. So RTA session on the left side and ETH on the right side. So yeah, I like it. The boys took it. Nice. Yo, I got a message on no, I got a mail actually. There's a guy, I'm not gonna expose him, maybe I'm easy in the chat, he's here, I don't want to say or do anything like that, but he copy traded my trades and he got funded because he went with high size, really high size. And last week I didn't trade, right? I was taking a small vacation and I had the master thesis to finish. And then he sent me a mail saying like, I'm waiting on you. He took also a vacation because oh shit, yeah, he took a vacation. He was waiting for me to come back on Monday so he can get the payout. That's fucking scaring me a little, not gonna lie. We had quite some people do it as well, but it's scaring me a lot. Imagine somebody goes in full Porsche because he see me take a trade and he's like, oh, okay, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna take it, and then he goes to shit. Yeah, can you please show your CVD? Okay. From a candlestick perspective, there was a bearish engulfing on the 5. Okay. I love the way you're giving knowledge online. I feel like people it's easier to maybe understand me with my broken English. It feels more genuine, or how you say it. I'm glad you like it. He's gonna go buy them shoes in the... Okay, I swear, Skiller. don't ever feel bad about something like that. There are traders who lost millions of people's money. Yeah, that's also... Yeah, I miss free Deepcharts subscription. Okay. I could have retired myself from this short, but I took out too early. I'm trading. Hey, the plan was good, right? We said today in the beginning, like, I don't see it's not dumb to try to fade the high. Now, unfortunately, we did miss it. But don't be afraid. We have opportunity at the bottom as well. Don't try to jump in right now because you just missed it. Have patience. And CVD is really good on this day because you can like try to read pressure and it's really clear what's happening. But let's see. Wow, if you hypothetically took this trade, where would your TP be? POC is the highest target to get met, right? So if we took this short, I think I would take something on the flip. You see how it came up again and then flipped? I would take it maybe somewhere here. Since it's a range, usually you should have a little cover yourself below all of it because it can wick you out quite fast. I would take my final TP actually obviously at value real low, but I would take it here to POC. And actually a little earlier because it might dance around here and might flick you out, does some shit and garbage like it usually does. Because many trades are getting transacted, right? But yeah, final TP would definitely be at value real low. Keep in mind, it might raise the value real low as price is moving lower because value is building higher. So it might end up here maybe or something. Did you post your girlfriend's realistic sketch in the Discord? Yeah, I tried to... we had like... Bro, I've never done some shit like that. She told me like she saw something on TikTok. Like they are sketching each other and I was like, bro, I'm garbage at doing that shit. So I was like, she was like, nah, come on, it can be fun, let's do it. So and I was like, okay. So I went and got the painting and all of that shit. And yeah, let's just say like this here. So what do you guys think, huh? I just wanted to share. I was like, maybe it's a little fun. How can I fucking delete this shit? If POC have a setup in this situation, is it a good short setup? No, I don't diddle in the middle. You can take it, but I would not say diddle in the middle because it will just flick you up and down. Price wants to be in the POC level, right? It wants to be. It's like a magnet. So it's like you are basically trying to screw yourself over. Are you profitable? I am extracting money from the market, but slowly. I'm not like your other trading fellows that does 5k payouts every week. That's not me, but I do achieve payouts. Can you show fixed range? Oh, range. Fixed range? Do you mean the range chart? Is that it? Damn, look how much clearer it becomes with this one. You know, deep effort today isn't that shabby. Yeah, and VWAP on ranging days is really good. Why is he not? Okay. It's not even plotting. Oba. How do you change color on volume profile and cans? I can't find it in Deepcharts. So right click on the volume profile like this. Go to what the hell is that? At the bottom, VBP settings, then go to plot settings, and then go to there's a like a background, and then press that. It will say show settings, and then you can like adjust the colors and all of that. Rewatch like this part when I said it if I was too fast. If you increase your risk appetite, you can do that, man. Yeah. Oh shit. How about the previous daily POC, or it depends on different narrative? Yeah, previous day POC is totally different, because that means this is what that means. So take this day, for example, this POC. If price broke above, then all of this area will be defended. In this area, this is the highest like support area in a sense, because all of the players that push the price up are now gonna defend if price comes back to this value. But yeah, you usually have this level. This is the lowest win rate that I've tested for sure, if you want to take along. This one is quite high. This one is definitely a lot higher. But yeah, the logic is just that the whole the volume that pushed the price up is now gonna defend here. Whilst if you try to play a range, so if you want to take a long here, that's not dumb. But if you want to play like trade in the range right here, then it becomes a different story, because we are in a balanced market here, right? Here we left a balanced market, or this balanced area, and now they're gonna defend that one, like in short. So did anybody take trades? Anything? Nothing? Are we all just sitting? Is 101 people just sitting and we're just doing nothing, huh? No, I'm joking. You can trade on demo today. It's fine. Or you should. I wouldn't really bet today. Unless you want to sit like 50 minutes in a trade. Yeah, okay. I'm waiting for a good long to present itself. Okay, nice. Sir, why? Oh my god, I read that like Ruda writes it. Sir, why did Darth wait? Why the hell are you guys? I swear, bro, you and Skiller. Okay, how if daily open inside previous value era, is it a complete different story? Yeah, that means we open up inside value. Then usually it's a different story, but it's give and take. Usually what happens then is that we tend to like, we haven't managed to break out of it, right? So clearly neither of the sides stepped in, so we're still in the value. Not holiday today. Yeah, it is holiday, but it's fine. We do some calm trading today. Let's see. I want to take a long in the value area low. I want to see price come into value area low, and then some trap sellers, Or maybe look at VWAP is starting to rise. So maybe we will have a VWAP trade around here. Yeah. Let's see. Memorable. Yeah. Correct. You know, while I still have you guys here, I want to ask you about some feedback. I'm just gonna boot up the thing. So here's a dashboard that I'm creating right now. It's a TN journal. So from my experience, when you use like, I don't know, TradeZello, whatever, it's so much cluttery. The thing I want to see on my dashboard at least is just like the performance, the P&L, how many trades, days, with like total trades, winning, losing, and then the metrics, of course. Simple as that, the P&L curve. I want to see, this is something I love, the models. I want to see what model of mine is the best one. So we have win rate and all of the metrics for each of them. And then say I want to like, okay, so clearly the trend model is the best one. It's gonna rank automatically, right? You activate it, you can see the curve for it as well. And then, yeah, this is the overall view. You can see like your analysis, like your stats in this sense, with a score for your edge. But if you focus on trend model only, you get more insight, like what you have to work on, like needs to work on, yada yada. Yeah, simple calendar, trades, calendar. Yeah. Do you guys have any feedback for me? Something you feel like maybe you can implement this. Maybe if you feel like this is good for a beginning, then let me also know. I'm gonna fix also imports. This is the thing. Manual import is right now the only option, but I'm gonna do a broker account, broker import, so it becomes automatically. But like Deepchart doesn't have it. You can't connect an API or anything. Yeah, I'm building still the models part. Does people really grade their trades? I don't do it. Maybe others do. You can add an image. I don't know what to take. Add an image, notes, yada yada. Yeah. Select period of time. Yeah. Yeah, if you have any feedback, let me know. I'm gonna launch it soon. Where is it? There you go. Let me just fix it. So when I take up cut next time, it's up. Yeah, let me take that off. Okay, let's see. Oh, how was chess today? No chess today. I didn't take any trades. I didn't play chess today. Actually. Anti-IVB today. Yeah, actually, today IVB would be lovely, but it's basically the range, so it's the same shit. What do you use to make it? Codex? Yeah. Can you provide your Deepchart template in the Discord? It's already there. You go into Deepcharts, go into archives. You will see a post about it. Deepchart templates. That's the post. You also have that missing data on 1 minute time frame. Where? On my chart right now? What website is that? Can we get the link to? I'm building it. It's the TN journal. It's gonna be part of the TN membership package. All of it. It's gonna be 4 products. I just want to give for the people that do this project with me, the algorithmic project, since we're gonna do it together. I want to give people like some like more stuff, of course. I feel like it's a cool project. When you make stuff like this, do you fully use AI for coding, and is it cloud AI? I have been a web developer. I'm a machine learning engineer, data analyst, and web developer. So I have a lot of experience. But yes, I do use AI for coding, but not. It's hard to explain. Just some tweaks, not really that much stuff. Yeah. May I know what's the treasury for B-trade? 60, but today we have 40. Yeah, are we gonna have liquidity sweep? I swear, Skiller. How can I use that template? I put it in my digital file, but it shows nothing. What? Right click on the chart, go to templates, then go to load. How far is the algo by now? It's finished. I'm done with it. When I launch all of this, we're gonna launch the project and all of that, right? It's gonna be an early project. How can I say it? Early launch. It's because we gotta buy all the tools and stuff. Besides from the algo that I already did. But the algorithm is already done. For the IVB model. Only for that one, not the other stuff. So you have some stats here. Yeah. And I conducted it on like multi-charts to see like, does it take exactly the same trades? And it does exactly the same trades. Like to the tick. Yeah. What a sniper. What the hell is this? Long hair, sell. Okay. Long hair, sell here, win. End of day, this count as a win. Stop loss, win, break even. No, this is a loss, a break even loss technically. Win. It's high win rate. It really is. Win. It only takes longs though. Keep that in mind. That's how Matteo also did it. It only takes longs. Because if it takes shorts, imagine if you're arranging day, you're gonna burn the whole account, and it only takes 1 trade a day. Yeah, so I'm on it. Don't worry, no worries, guys. Can you show the performance again? Sure. It's only for 1 year though, this one. Or I have to rerun it again. Keep that in mind. I don't want to do it, but the stats are already in the Matfin. He already did it for like 5 years. So the stats are like, look at this. Yeah, we got quite a high win rate, 60%. This is with commission and slippage, so it's, yeah, it's not without it. Yeah, this is the curve at least. So you're making money at the end of the, what is it? 7 months this was this run? Yeah, no, 6 months. Okay. Okay, let's see. We are in value low, guys. IVB activated bearish. What the garbage shit. Okay. When can we join? I want to share tick data so much. You want to share tick data? Wait, do you have like market data or? Dude, seriously, look, liquidity sweep, tap, VWAP, manipulation, and target. Okay. I'm just gonna see its killer as buy value area low. That's it. Oh yeah, let's see if we get something now. You know, the algo model, the algo project is for, I still want people, like I'm still gonna trade, I'm gonna live trade, do my discretionary trade, but I also want something to trade on the side whilst I do my live trading that follows something that statistically should put money in my pocket. It's illegal to share those CME data together. That's the thing. I don't really know, but we're gonna do like we're gonna buy it as a community, all of the tools we need and data. And oh yeah, we're gonna do it together. And like I don't think a company that buys like data for its company has to buy separately data for each of them. You pay one time for maybe a bigger fee, but everyone gets it. Okay. Oppa. Guys, are we trading this? Okay, now this is interesting. Clearly we're ranging, right? I'm more prone to being a buyer here. However, I will be activated. VWAP is right below. Protection level is here. Interesting. Look at the speed of tape. Nice. Speed of tape. Ah, shit, wait, I don't even have it up. Let's see. Did it kick in? Yeah, it kicked in, then... Yeah, let's see what happens. If I'm gonna trade this, I'm doing it on micro today. Oil is at range low. Okay. By the way, the guy that have Reesville tells that the IVB model will have shit promote during the non-trend years. How can we avoid that? You can't. You just have to. You can't really. You can't predict if the upcoming years is gonna be good or not. So, how to avoid it? Well, if we don't have an IVB breakout within 30 minutes, we usually have a ranging day and it doesn't execute. So it has some like precautions to it. How do you say? And then we can also further develop it by like implementing, I don't know, volatility. I don't know. You can implement maybe gamma exposure. Like there's a lot of stuff. So if we are in a red zone, higher chance of breakout and continuation, then it can execute. If it's in a blue zone, it's less chance and maybe don't execute. Like there's a lot of stuff we can do. We have just begun. Like you will start more. I have to select a team. That's the thing. Shit. I'm looking for longs now. We'll see. Okay. I'm also looking. You know, say it comes down to VWAP, then trades above the sellers, closes above. Let me go back to 1 minute. Let me take away this. Oh my god, what a slow day. Or we can just have both trending model and non-trending model, then we can start in both directions. Yeah, we're gonna conduct. No worries. We're gonna do it. Deploying backtested, statistically good trending models and ranging models, sure. For example, here's an insight that people that maybe want to do some research. VWAP is really damn good in ranging days. So a ranging model could be something like this. When price comes down to VWAP, and it's also statistically, it's an institutional reference point, right? So it's not just ranging days, but I've seen that it works so good on ranging days. So a parameter that you can have to not like over fit the model is that if we are in value area low and we are at VWAP, maybe the model can like, okay, if we have a delta candle that closes bullish but has a lot of sell volume in it, so absorption, we can do something like this, and then we just aim for value area high like this. You know, it's simple but it's effective, because that in that sense we conduct value area low, VWAP and absorption. And in my books, not a dumb idea. Okay, you guys, sir, why did what sell issues? Is this something new? Huh? Is this something like I just saw it like on YouTube? Sleep cheap, what are we thinking? What are you waiting for? I know that you said you would take, maybe you're looking for long. What are you waiting for? I feel like if I would take a long here, I would like to see it maybe tap into VWAP or something and then come up and close above these sellers. And then I could try something like this with one micro contract. So I never trade ranging days, but we are here now, so let's execute if we find something, but with small risk. I'm waiting for absorption on VWAP. Nice, okay. Yeah, that's good. I have a feeling like price is gonna come down to protection level. I know that many people right now are putting a lot of emphasis on the VWAP right now. It's like thinking, okay, a lot of people are looking to take a long here. So keep that in mind, okay? And usually when that's the case, because this is the thing, when a lot of people see the same thing, it usually just flicks you out and plays with you in like yeah, fucks you up before it really gives you the move. So sometimes just waiting and more patiently for it to like do something to show you more isn't that dumb. I would aim to poke, because if I aim for value real high, I would maybe be here till tomorrow. This is so fucking slow. It's crazy. Okay. All right. Interesting. Sellers took this low on, but CVD, we didn't take it yet. And we are taking it soon. Are we gonna reach the protection level? If this reach, my next level will be something like this. You know, we can look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this buy level. And we got some low volume nodes. This one. We got all of that. We got some, you can technically say all of this, like an area. If you compare this volume to this. Yeah. Let's see. Darth Vader is gonna hunt for your stop loss, dude. Don't enter. Yeah, the buyer's not showing up nothing for me at the moment. Okay. Alright. Same here. Just waiting. I had a feeling we're gonna reach protection levels. Let's see. Taking a long here isn't the worst. Let me just see what we got. Option level somewhere. Nah. 3,000. Oh, we didn't even touch 3,000. Okay. 9,900. Here's a round number. Exactly at the big trades. Okay. Somebody playing this? You know, I haven't really tested something like this before. I don't know how this how it performs, this model or this idea. So VWAP retest for a continuation. Maybe something like this. Maybe it comes up, flicks it, and then you try it. Not financial advice. I want to see how it behaves. And I'm gonna take this on a demo account so everybody knows. Not that it should matter. Really. Just want to test it out. So I want to see how it behaves. This is really shit. Oh my god, this is so slow, man. For my trade for today, I'm waiting for a long in this area. But for testing purpose, let's see. Yeah. Let's see. We can scale in here. Something like this. So potentially say that we try to take a short in retest. I want to see where would you cover yourself? 1 to 2 maybe, huh? Here? You're gonna get stopped out. I know there's a model like this on the moving average. You break out retest, but I don't know if some people have done it like on view up. Hello man, I have a question. Is there any program similar to Deepcharts? Because I don't have any money to buy it. Atlas is good, but yeah, I don't know any other program than similar to Deepcharts. Yeah, okay, that idea did not work, clearly. Similar to Deepcharts. I don't know, Atlas. Hey Paul, what are the settings for view up? I have it as default, so I think it's daily. Just that. Don't go for the show. It was on demo. It was not on real account. It was testing. And if there's not, can I know if I got? And if there is not, can I know if I got it? How many months it takes to be profitable? Deepcharts is not gonna make you profitable. That's not gonna. It's not the solution. Darth Vader stopped you, I told you. Quant Tower is fully free, I'm quite... Yeah, Quant Tower is fine. Yeah, it's good. Exactly. Thanks, man. No worries. Yeah, guys. Oh my days, what a boring day. We got absorption at the bottom now. Was this the long? Oh, thankfully, we don't trade. I swear, I hate ranging days. It's so fucking dull. I'm going to wait for retest on view up and speed of tape confirmation. Good call. I'm not gonna. This is so boring. Like, this is not moving. Oh. Okay, maybe that's it. I don't know. We took one trade on demo. That's all. Where is Rio? Oh, yeah, technically it's bank holiday. I'm really, it's crazy. We got 100 people that were in the live on a bank holiday. That's really interesting. Really. Yeah, I can close down the Ninja Trader because clearly nothing is happening. We're not gonna get the breakout or the model today. Can close down all of this. Yep. In raging day, I prefer go sleep. It's 10 p.m. in Vietnam. Yeah, good call. Rather go sleep than trade this. Yeah. Bank holiday. Yeah. Waiting for retest to 29. Then I'll go long. 29,921. Okay. Good luck with that. Is IVB? No. Not today. Oof, what the voice crack. Not today. IVB is not good on. Is not valid on days like this usually because we are more prone to ranging, right? I will not bet for IVB, but you know, I can be wrong. Don't get me wrong. It might work out, but statistically it shouldn't be in your favor today. Statistically, we should go back here, up here. But you know, we can still try take an IVB trade on the demo. I'm just tape reading today. Nice. What's up, Madara? Why didn't you take the absorption at the top? I was yapping shit with the chat. Actually, this was a good setup. We talked about it. I was like, yo. So I missed it. But we did call it in the beginning. Okay, not that we are foreseeing stuff, but we did say fading the high is not a dumb idea today. Unfortunately, we missed it. It's fine. Happens. We go next. Is there any deep chart alternative with accurate volume profile and delta volume profile? Atas. Atas is good. Are we gonna try it, huh? I don't like it at the top. What the hell is this? Motivate, Sierra charts as well. And it's not read. 7 more meme Pav. You know my deadline. Oh yeah, everyone, you guys probably no more trading for me. Yeah, same. Maybe I'll take something here. All right, we're gonna take it on demo. So, what the hell, brother? Ugh. Let's try the IVB model. This is a big problem. When you see this at the bottom. So say that I want to take a trade here, a sell here, okay? My first problem will be here. And maybe it's dealing is what the hell is happening now? What happened with the volume? Out of nowhere, did the orange guy say something, guys? So say now that the sellers are stepping in here, failing. Now this might be the case. Just purely because of this shit. Oh my days. Five more minutes. There's huge liquidity good at those bubbles. Okay. My model works to this type of condition. I already earned $7 today. Okay, good. Nice. Demo, it's not good. If you're going to trade with demo, it's different. Why? It's executing. Like, Ah, okay. Ivy retest work today. It's like it's not my model, but it's working right now. It did test it because there's no real execution in the real market, therefore no real. Aha, you mean in that type of way? Ah, yeah, of course. Yeah. In long at 29, we shall see. Okay, okay. Sleep cheap is long. I want to see how it behaves here. Maybe I can also go long here because absorption. This was a good reaction actually, but let's see next candle. Oh my god, it's lagging. It's basically lagging the candle. You have to wait like 5 seconds to get the new information on what's gonna happen. Oh my god, this is so garbage, bro. Why did Donald Trump go to mall today? I don't know why. That's why if you're using CFD, do not use TP or something, but you know what I mean. There's a fair value below that, yeah. Don't you stop us. Oh my god, this is so shit. This is so shit, this market. Small gap. You see how price open up above? Yo, Sleep Cheap, I think you might be getting a good trade soon. He's gonna send it higher. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna execute. I don't want to sit here. I want to leave the chart in 2 minutes. I want to sit here for 2 more minutes just to see how it goes. I think it's gonna explode higher now because of this small gap absorption. Let's see. Opa. Oh, wait, maybe we have a retest on VWAP before. Wait, that was a good reaction. Ah, we balling. Okay, we take this on demo. I'm gonna kill it in 1 minute because I don't want to sit on it this trade. What do we go? You go 1 to 2, huh? See if it sends it. The reaction was really good. There you go. Opa! Now sellers are stepping in. What is this, man? Sleep Cheap, where do you cover yourself? Below here? Or are you covering yourself like this? Look how they buy it up. They come down, they buy it up. Let's see if they squeeze this high. I think it's a high chance we will take this high at least. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if you cover yourself. You don't really cover yourself. Yeah, you risk $10, something like that. I never like to cover myself at... Okay, break even 1 to 1. Okay, I'll sit here with you till this trade hits, if this hits. Aggressive trailing. Where's 1 to 2? There's 1 to 2. Sleep cheap, you're getting paid. Orange guy means Trump. Yeah. Yeah. It will go down first. Fair value gap retest below. It never has to do something. It might go down, but never has to, right? When you say fair value gap, I just think low volume node. That's, yeah, so it makes sense, the idea. Hope it sends the liquidity open, yada yada. I actually turned 3 into 35 now. Well done, bro. Starting last Friday. Nice. I'm covered at. Nice, nice. Only trade New York session. I'm break even now. Fair value returns on that level. That's why it's going up. Yeah. I like how you see it. Do you know how I see it? Bye. See you, Banga. You know, when price moves really fast there, it created imbalances, right? Usually when that happens, when price moves really fast, it creates imbalances, and that's usually what market wants to fill before it continues or does something. In your books, it's fair value gap. In my books, it's just imbalances. Isn't it fair value gap an imbalance, or am I totally off? Pav, it's just inverse fair value gap. Okay. The fair is still not sad. That's why it keeps going up. We put a figure so we go up. That's what I'm doing since. What the fuck? I already put fake order. I know it's low volume node in other. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Take me out for break even and then I can. Thank you. Remote control market. Yo, now we might go down and. Do we even have a low volume node here? Yeah, we do. Yeah. All of this. Bello. All right, guys, I think I'm done. I'm break even and that's okay. Bro, what? ICT. I'm done for the day, Pop. Fuck this market. Yeah, it's fine, bro. All right, guys. Thank you for being here. See you guys tomorrow. We will have a normal day tomorrow at least. Hopefully. What a boring day, huh? Since such reasons overflow, I call it low. Okay. Yeah, I get you. No, but I understand you. Wait, Pop. Okay, what's up? No, bro. I don't know where Darth Vader is buying his shoes, bro. All right, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye, everyone.